stuff. Hi guys, welcome to Whitey's Wicked Workshop. We're gonna build a greebified receptacle. No, it's not a receptacle. It's a droid port. Here's a list of what you need.
We have a receptacle cover. This is a 3D printed droid port, a sanding pad, 2 LEDs, or more depending on what you do with it. I only drilled those 2 out. You could probably do these 2. 9-volt battery, 9-volt battery box with an on-off switch, 2 butt splices. Something to dirty it up is Rub and Buff Black. And then I have this water mixable oil color. I don't mix it with water for this particular build. I just kind of dabbed it. And of course the RAM, I cut the RAM in half to kind of cover up the box front. And then I use these for the butt splices and to put all those wires together. But let me know if you have any questions.
watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell. See ya.